How to fix time sync failed on Windows 11. 1. Verifying current date and time settings. 2. Make Windows Time Service run automatically. 3. Use a different time server and update it. 4. Run these commands as admin. netstop w32 time w32 tm /unregister w32 tm /register netstart w32 time w32 tm /resync plan b sfc /scano. 5. Set 86400 to the special poll interval key at /local_machine /system /current control set /services w32 time /time providers /ntp client in registry editor. Restart your PC. 6. Add more string values at /local_machine /software /Microsoft /Windows /current version /datetime /servers in registry editor. Hint, you may enter time.google.com into the value data field. Restart your PC.